Matip ngaya pulih hai na hai. Bagi sendang bayo abreu am. Ki em news nam tam. Ya kitu bosong morway. Kumamia.
Wat mundur li min em temian mea. Nam kumta Thymmai ai hap kun sai soal nap kin chong mea.
Mea kertang complete. Tempat jing em jong ma incomplete.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi bas nyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Frank Motors hakan riu tarik urempang arajar pun riu. Kala penbana bala pelat Paidbah ya kakali ka Thymmai. Ka Tata Sierra. Ka badai ka jingwan pai biang jong ka icon bala rim. Ka bala e daki Paidbah la palat lai posnem. Ya kakali Tata Sierra Thymmai la pelat Paidbah da Chief Manager jong ka State Bank of India Laim Khra Branch Shillong. U Ashish Ranjan. U bala longkum ukongsan. Ringkat ka jingsaki lang ka General Manager. Ka kong marbiang dor lingdo. U dealer proprietor, uba indon lang pasa, u sale coach, u graham pajat, bat kiway kibala syakot sobha. Kani ka Tata Sierra ka Thymmai, kadai ka bala syana penwandur itanat bha, kat kum ka teknologi bamenta, bat ka don ya ka jingstat bat ka jingsengan ka pakerpang. Labo ya ka Sierra 2.0, haka kerdan ka Thymmai haka yau ki premium mid SUV. Bat kani ka kali ka donru ya ka jaka syong ka bahe ka jingsngan bapaka ka Sierra 2.0 kala yo ya ka Red Dot Design Award ka bapen scam ya ka jinglong bakarpang jongka ya ka Sierra 2.0 pilaban book na ka showroom jongka Frank Motors bat ka dor jongka Sierra Petrol ka sedang nadu khat waypoint saup khundai lak terter bat ka dor jongka diesel ka sedang nadu ka khat ar point khandai phundai lak seneng.
All guys with cameras, this is the day we're waiting for. Make your shot worth it. So this is the legend. Tata Sierra for you guys. Now let's
higher the illumination will increase. So which is the first in the segment. So you can see we have front parking sensors, the LED fog lamps with corporate function, and we have the aerofloat grill design. And as you know, Tata Motors has purchased GLR, Jaguar and Land Rover in 2008, and they have introduced the clamshell bonnet, which is used in Jaguar and Land Rover, the first in the segment. So we go to the side.
I won't take your time. I'm a proud Tata car owner for last 5 years. I'm a proud Tata Motors stockholder for last 7 years. And there were times I had doubt of exchanging my car with a new model. But there was one incident where I met with an accident in my own car. I was driving my car. The car was in garage for almost 3 months. The person who was driving on the other vehicle was in ICU for 15 days almost. I came out of my car unscratched. So that day itself, I have never thought about exchanging my car. But when I saw the trailer launch of Sierra a few months ago on Instagram while scrolling the reels, I had a doubt of exchanging my car. This car looked so good, that original version, that yellow and black. So I'll request everyone present here that stick with Tata. I have been with them for more than 5 years now, and I have no doubts of changing the car or the company. Thank you all.
Thymmai.